Ebusian for aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, then no notification no, so that anytime you post a video, it is a way I will share. Usambe kabia mawashe. Say efe, say ede, until there. Only me penia. Subscribe my why. Ne turn no notification. Notification a bell bia. Ewa see a horn. To do some boss wa. Anytime you post a video, ube won't alert no phone so say GhanaNsem TV GH. I post video be video no title na nie enti na wakwa share na ye kwa asem ne mwe
ana menta mpese adenasi mfomso de ba but asiade asi mfomso aba.
An announcement of the purchase of a presidential jet and two more or three more helicopters.
You see
the report no be ambassador me no you see krom hanom no adana ye nyini ye enkodu pempen so a nukuredie people in public offices ebe hunu se wanye honest o kan se no nim se wo ditura se daachi bi ne totia just asotwe bi o ho na say because we were told by most of the government officials they say one helicopter no nanado and the toy. 2 ye manufactured 1979 na chese atetia pansama ya package ba bikura ene ye koto de beje ya boden. 3 obi kwambo se eja tomu ewo wiem na eye deliberate say I didn't want to do that was a member of parliament too. And the guy say na ye investigate soldier for because I say woman ne MPP are buying na akwa pam se pesa sa de manisi. Now it is coming say helicopter no kra no. MZ manufacture in 2012. Na 2015 and na the NDC are buying na wa ba mu eto entino. It has nothing to do with Nana Akufo-Addo. Obi aka asem we yafa no ho adi o.
Yeah, you see look. Meka se mihye Nyankopon no a meka chele se mpana chawo opeso obua maten a oba mi misa na se mbanko se netie ben no de ye nipa tuntumfo binu ada nipa tuntum in general netie ben and you know alu prayer semi say ye MPP time no am ka so meka ko tell prayer kamiji di se NDC for ben site ya soja for se wo niku entu MPP abane alupra semi now alupre no hon samo a eba ye okuja to abla I think the later manebo amanu nyina
manebo ama philosopher
Sukwache Sam George
Professor Jampo Martin Kwegbu
you know
Franklin Kujo
certain am ka say I've given up. Me I have given up.
Bia MC MPP de echiwade bi aka sankofo no
Dabi that
because they hate
that. No, that is the CPP, the young pioneer lifestyle, and that is the politics in Africa. That politics in Africa, the intellectuals in Africa, no, they say ditro, chatro, cansem, sabikam kwasiasem, ditro, chatro, cansem, sabikam kwasiasem.
Nefanya to me.
Now can kwasiasem no so a nipa bi bete wase. That is what is happening in Africa. A lot of people are yearning for say kwasi broni timba no be di so abra bra.
Today
tien sam na wo mo kekan ye no ene hwe
John Mahama is telling the Hajj board
say they should do
registration, they should do
digitization.
John Mahama digitization.
John Mahama digitization. Anunkwampo. Let's be very honest and say mama obi ohwame obi otie mi bia onka nokre pa yemfa bibia anto nchene na yenti some people time no na nka omo ye recruitment na nipa ensien ewuye enka dia na si krom akaba na enka agbo na wa ye rasta no mo frɛ no dia
or the simple
Raf and his people me catch you senka wo mo be nkofo su kwache be vigil that night.
Yeah,
it will pose serious threat of security. So one way you nanka MPP time and kaje sadan no omo impose curfew. Now impose curfew, people will defy that curfew, and that may be the end of the MPP government that day. Me na me catch you. Abetre babia Ghana ha nyina babia Ghana ha babia it incident ni bi sia me se Ewurade Nyankopon eduru babia ebia MPP lusu yi eduru babia ebia nan ayo because asem we see we forso kwache with Franklin Kujo
Jampo Tinkpegu
and Raf
Sam George.
When the man who was even vetted, first question was say common sense. And one should say
yes.
The first was say common sense. Nature say common sense. He was being vetted. Or the common sense. No what boy be that. Look, and I've given up.
A member of parliament. That's what I make. I say parliament.
My men no ko jina ho. Say
they are destined to die. Say a member
of the New Patriotic Party. Na aya northern now, aya south now, aya east now, aya west now. New Patriotic Party ni bi. Ena nka MPP wa power. Ena nka maame ne ko kan sa asem no a. Nka me ka be kiro say there will be upheaval in Ghana that very day. Mi do nyame hatasoro.
And I was so disappointed that the speaker was
this is Ghana for you. Ghana nunye. Kurobehu, bahabehu, na nyomi aso bete de kankan. Hwete MP gina ho. Na ote ne brofu tobni ne brofu fun bi ni say. Wiase presidency nyina be hia ho. Na wiase presidency nyina be den ba be hia ho. And this is a member of parliament too. Honorable. No, you see, I've given up. Because
a member of parliament has lied to the whole nation.
Anya no kra hwe ho so security won some.
Yes.
And mama mi won ko bon wo Ablekumanov.
Nyame nko a.
Nko kun kra.
And then they came to justify it
and
abuse the regional minister, Greater Accra regional minister.
They justified it.
Said she deserves it because
look, I have given up on Ghana. Me momudia mi obribo ahede. I've given up. Because me trase ka hwe ne economy na my pajamas are my bamabu awie. And when you find this unfolding drama, as if faculty in the aegis clearance of the National Cathedral. And this lawyer and the Supreme Court. And this lawyer no the Supreme Court. And the AG response no. Kasi bibia o parliamentary approval.
And
parliamentary approval.
So
that one if me media no say whether parliamentary approval, whether no parliamentary approval, whether NDCC or beto so, whether NDCC on to so. Me position is say na won fa
o mani ni sika
enkoye. But that's been my position. And I know I shouldn't be my position. And one a me position. Mensa sano. I don't tea and a man make us say, me dear, Nanya make an about, but na
the shade,
the NDC activist, Captain Smartinum. Okay, on your TV.
Yeah.
About the cathedral.
Yeah.
And you know, nobody is being apologetic. I will say that he Johnny's bite. Okay.
Yeah.
Johnny's bite.
Yeah.
Then I think City FM so boy be on or can I wanna ten.
Is it Caleb?
I bet so no. Look, Ghana pa baby ya druni. Amanyo 70. Na sana seba. Sani amanyo sem MPP mu amanyo 70 binim ka nokore binim hu nokore binim hu papa no. Sana amanyo sem sunti. We are doomed.
So 6 died.
So me mamu yako
in search of,
but the discretion was not well exercised. To say na mo kan na nka mo ye no mutimi ye no days we beba district regional. I know the time has come. Make I say in 2013 I made this suggestion because Germany and I mean you obedient command or catch them say o mo sojafo no any police for no yama ko school no te say ne wa wie SHS no obeso ko degree no ko school no
we yeah
and just what school no
and you are having the training
and this idea training bosomi nsia bosomi nwotwe afi back no obaye no be mfie na mfie no etiminya san for them say oh say ya depa anti since 2013 maka say enya se na ye be yes mumra eda amfa da bia wiase aduri because Ghana no kra no ye be ye no tertiary. We have some selected schools to be eti wamo SHS no na omo no ye ma omo conditions no nti oya nti okwa school no obeba be soja obeba be police prison officer customs na wanya sufficient time mfie num anya ne akwa training no bosomi nsia okona simfosu bosomi nsia okono poalungu bosomi nsia migration yo custom yo okono nakakravi na nyansa bene nyansa pa bene wo hwe incident bi asi wo Nigeria ye ka professionalism so wa hu Nigeria incident bi akọ viral pa FCT Abuja Nigeria una we governor ho you are appointed by the president ana Wike no a PDP ni but obo Tinubu because oji state bi abato no ma Tinubu na Tinubu ye no governor ana womonam ati so Ghana ministers no so omu ya omu nsua bibi mfirim ana okoye ohene ba okoye na okakire a 3-star navy officer no okakire so person okowura baby oye no any some sit down no say oh I'm following instructions from my superior officers. Yerima I get over Africa oh. Say yeah the time be me read the avid reader. I get all over Africa, all over the world. Then work catch and say unim say me you know no see o minim no see o why na suma o no see o min disclose but I am on instructions and the governor no also that from say soldier panyini baako no anene kasa no de man a person boss show no kasa na governor de man and you know the boy exhibited professionalism on any panyini no kura kasa for na ni sashe no bottom si no wayi no ni panyini na kasa no wiye and then wake up or say na a lot of for shut up or say I won't shut up or say you are fool no jina. And what happened in Nigeria this week must be a lesson for all abayin panyinfo no. Ghana humaso no adonso. Ghana humaso no MPP time o NDC time o Ghana humaso no adonso. Obati yesi regional minister bi and a minister for way or call Ramsia site ye ko bubu dan Ramsia site no so ye forestry for dia Ramsia site no e forestry for dia so wa bubu anya forestry for asema wo masi dan regional minister wasem minister for interior wasem minister for national security wasem I did a case bi wo Kumasi ham His Lordship Justice Richardson Lands Commission koe so man order no ko bubu kiosk ni niam nyina on government land no o man na ko bubu ya da nyame sua boa no bubu nsase ni nyina kiosk no wonu ne sie a che Lands Commission kotono ma amanfo me do nyame Lands Commission kotono ma amanfo otenim wo bubu wi ya no ana wo ma asase ni ya wo mo dia no wo be fame ana me call high court na me call file motion and I succeeded. I won the case. Now Lands Commissioner book kiosk ni structures more than 500
omuyo no moza aton
no o matonton na amanfo ebi ne sofo line o matonton ma amanfo ebi ne soja for
sofo line terminal na ho no
terminal ho no na terminal nka ba bia jenefo no no
okay
baby ni soja for park ye wo hai
ai baby na kotoko training
o mu training ho nyina ba bubu no na ba ko bubu akoka su ya bo senate baby ani ba tonton Lands Commissioner tonton ni nyina country bani the indiscipline and the lawlessness is too much but I had to go to court file a process serve the Lands Commission
and then you won
and I won
6 dead recruitment exercise and families no can they take the government
they can sir he didn't exercise discretion well
court
and
they will have a good case
so when granted is nka wo twama no na me wi a kire say ben na man panfo no na man yakwa Ramsia site yakwa bubu dadagu yakwa achimota forest no school bi dia hene binim dia ya ba ha ya be bubu agunu wo matonton sase ni nyina Lands Commission fa tonton sase ni ha jenefo ho na wo ka no jenefo no me ma abakose mi pa in 2017 I went to the High Court na me koje injunction na me in 2017 no defendants ni bia injunction effective on bantam hene ka ho yeah I had that injunction me obribuai me defendants na bantam hene ka ho Lands Commission ka ho jenefo ka ho veterans ka ho 2017 na me injunction over so for good then in 2020 na nkrofo so ha adwene etimi ka se me koye join da ebe che so I issue the fresh rate na wo ma me sama 2020 no kwada so municipal assembly no ka ho ama class no kra na wo nyini se matimi ayem na MPP no was no veda no wa sama na kwada so nam se munya masem no I'm a professional lawyer na me saman kwada so municipal assembly na me san saman jenefo no na case ni pende oyene ba in 2023 you ba kwa me in 2017 Lands Commission was a party my 7 with the order of injunction 2020 no so no Lands Commission ka ho 2023 November Lands Commission a list ede baby jenefo no or the akwa koma
almost a station be on
adakoma kwada so municipal assembly me tana me kasa say ya ese bu se obribo han bibi ha me because me no kore kani kwada so municipal assembly samra na your friend boat
Richmond
ko police ni hwe November 2023 at the time 2017 manya injunction
our court
kwada so municipal assembly masama no ewo court onion jenefo so masama no wo mo ewo court na woni ma bra some politics e wom da bia o ka sam kire MPP fu abenfa o bentie kasa bentie futuo jenefo no dɔso ben ba yire ne ba ma ne babushafo jenefo no wa ha no wo mo branch wo jenne wo nkanan wo agogoloshi be wo jenne ba bi bebre MPP time utim say lease na be konya en fraudulent kwada so municipal assembly lease no fraudulent